Some of the gear that we're going to be using today. So here's our Jenny calipers. We will be actually using them in this particular demonstration so you can see how they're used, one for this and two for the actual plastic welding, okay? They're also going to be used very heavily with your Stirling engine, so get to know how to use them. We'll be using ourselves a rule, so guys, make sure your rule is complete, make sure the end of it is in good working order, and please make sure it has not been chopped off in the guillotine or chopped off or destroyed by some other means, okay? So please make sure that's in good order. What is it? Set square, engineer square, or weighted side square, okay? Used for marking those perpendicular lines square to an edge, and we'll also be using our standard scribe. Okay, just remember too guys, we're doing plastics, so the tip does need to be quite sharp, all right? So please remember that. All right, so on your drawings guys, it asks for some material to be cut. We've got specific lengths there in our particular drawing. As I said, you'll get that handout very, very shortly. Guys, our material lengths are, we've got some material here, it's PVC, polyvinyl chloride. It is quite a dangerous material, okay? It is quite a toxic material, all right? So Ken will be going through in more detail specifically about that up the other end, but guys, it is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. We've pre-cut this to the width foil. We've pre-cut this piece of material, which is our 3mm section, for the fins to the correct width. You just need to cut the actual pieces you require, okay? So we will be cutting two 15mm pieces out of our 3mm, okay, so 15mm strips, and we will be cutting a piece at 80mm, okay, for our piece off our 5mm section, all right? So guys, using your Jenny calipers for doing this, using the actual hooked end of the particular Jenny calipers sits over the edge of your rule. No? Yes? Head shaken? Got it. So make sure it's hooked over the end of your rule. You can then set your desired distances, okay? Remember, tapping the ends will open the actual dividers. Tapping the leg will slightly close them. Okay, we're at 80mm, 2 fingers down the length of our beams, laying in the palm of the hand, turning over, 2 fingers down the length of the beams. All right? When you're using this, hooked end goes over the edge of your material, 2 fingers down the length of the beams, light pressure. Don't try and push it down and bury it in the material, just light pressure. If you're having trouble seeing, what do? Black marking texture, then actually scribe through your black marking position. Okay? So transferring that across to our material, hooked over the end, 2 fingers, light scribe. You don't need to do the entire length. Taking your engineer square, laying it over the outside edge, finger, scribe, scribe. You don't need to bury it in there. Everyone all right with that? So guys, we've got our pieces cut, or 2 marked here on each end. You'll only need 1 piece of the 5. You'll need 2 pieces of the actual 3mm. You'll be able to check your drawings from there. But now guys, we're going to show you the actual guillotine.